Hi everybody. Welcome to the week of April 27th. A whole month into all of this and we're still trying to get things done online, so I think we're doing a great job so far. Thank you for everybody that has been turning in work. I notice most people have been checking in on Canvas every couple of days, so I thank you, appreciate that. If you have just been checking in, not really getting any assignments done yet, hey, it's never too late. Take a look at the assignments, try something out. Even if you don't submit through the assignment link, send me an email, tell me what you're doing. We'll get you credited for the work that you're getting done. But I would love to see participation from everybody if at all possible. So keep the emails coming. Remember, I always have the morning office hours. And here's what we're doing for the week of April 27th. Our plan for the week of April 27th is really just a continuation of last week. Because if you recall, we started looking at the accident scene recreation project. And let's just do a quick review of that in case you're just starting it now. So over in our class, Robotics and 3D Modeling, remember we're not messing much with weekly reflection right now. But as I scroll down, if you need a little bit more detail on this project than I'm going to go over right now, look back at the video for the week of April 13th, where we go into a little more detail. Keep scrolling down. And as we get down to the week of April 20th to May 1st, which includes this week, we're doing the accident scene recreation. So I have this video here to watch if you have not watched it yet. And remember, we were considering this a 2-week project. So we really want to wrap it up at the end of this week. So here's the assignment link for it. And as you go in, the scenario is, an accident has occurred in an intersection with 2 cars and a scooter, and you're trying to recreate how you think that accident occurred. So do the best you can with that. Read through the entire activity. There are the challenges to actually come up with that recreation of that accident scene. If you feel like you want to try it in Blender, you have the option of working with Blender to create the animation. The scene is already set up for you. If you have not installed Blender 2.7.9 yet, here are the instructions on how to do that. Here's the actual accident scene Blender file that you can download, and here's a video on how to animate it that I've created for this project. Work through the animation. It doesn't need to be perfect, just do the best you can. That's all that I've been expecting this entire time of our cyber school situation right now, is just try something. As long as you're trying something out and letting me know how it goes, I'm happy with that. And then of course you're going to upload your video through this. The media recording option is enabled in Blender. If you can't render out a movie directly from Blender, hey, just take your phone and record a video of it playing through on the computer screen. So that would be your challenge that way. If you'd like to, you can also choose the option to build the scene at home. So use your imagination to construct a model of the scene at home. Use whatever you have available, whether you have some Matchbox cars, Legos, blocks of wood, whatever you want to. Try to set up the scene the way that it shows it in the movie and in this image as well, where the cars ended up. And just move them through the scene, snap some pictures of it at various stages of the accident. And don't forget about using a Google Doc to write your description of your scenario. We're asking you to do the same thing with Blender. You could use the comments box in Blender, or you could put everything onto a Google Doc as well. It's up to you. You have a lot of options on how you want to try to submit this and put this project together. So if you have any questions, remember I have weekly office hours from 8 to 9 o'clock in the morning, or you can email me as well at any time. Good luck.